Here's how to make $250 per day by creating an Amazon affiliate website similar to the ones that I'm going to show you in this video. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So guys, if you check some of those websites here, you will see that a lot of those websites have one thing in common. For example, this website here, this is whyimbroke.com. There's another one here called headphonesaddict.com. And there's another one here, chainsawlarry.com. And what they all have in common is the fact that they all generate an income through the affiliate marketing program, okay? The Amazon affiliate marketing program. Amazon has had an affiliate for a really long time. Actually, it was one of the first e-commerce platform to offer an affiliate program back in the 1990s. So a lot of people nowadays today are making a lot of money through the Amazon affiliate program. Some as affiliate, some people are making a lot of money as sellers off of Amazon. So there's a lot of opportunities of making money with the Amazon affiliate program, and this is what we're going to talk about more in this video. So if you check some of those sites here, this is whyimbroke.com, and basically what this website does is they basically post amazing products that they found online that are being sold on Amazon, and they really are trying to capitalize on this wow effect that you would have when you see some of their products. So for example, you see this Vortex optical illusion rug, which looks really amazing. There's this unstable lightsaber, the ice genie, there's like a Mandalorian full armor set, a Tic Tac gun. You can see like a ultra telephoto zoom lens. So they've got all those kind of really amazing products that really invoke curiosity and really grabs your attention. Products that you didn't even know existed, you didn't even know was available on Amazon. And this is what they are going for. They are going for those kinds of products that they know will attract a lot of attention. And this is why whyimbroke.com does very well. As you can see, they generate close to, I think, is it like 2 million? Close to 2 million visits per month, or more than 2 million visits per month. And with that amount of traffic, you can bet that they are making a nice income every single month, most probably around $15,000 to $20,000 at least per month. There's another website called Headphones Addict, which I talked about earlier, and basically all they talk about is just headphones. And you would think that this is maybe too niche down, and yet they generate over 400 monthly visits. So even if like less than 1% of that buy something by clicking on their affiliate link, they are definitely making a nice income from their website as well. There's another one called Chainsawlarry. This is one that really surprised me. I didn't know there was that many kinds of chainsaws. Best gas chainsaws, best battery chainsaws, best electric chainsaws. So there's different kinds of chainsaws, best 16-inch, 18-inch. So I didn't know you could write that many amount of content just around chainsaws alone, and he's getting, I think, between 50,000 to 75,000 monthly visit, which is not bad given that this traffic is most probably very targeted in the chainsaw niche. So they are most probably making a nice income as well. So how can you go about creating an Amazon affiliate website similar to the one that I just showed you, especially the first one, which is whyimbroke.com? Because basically what they're doing here is they're just directly referring their traffic to the page that are selling these products, especially on Amazon or on other pages. So they are just writing a short introduction or a short summary of the products, and then when you click on those products, you are directed directly to the Amazon page selling those products. Now, not every one of their product is being referred to Amazon. As you can see, this one here, if we click on it, you will see you will be redirected to the Etsy page that is selling this product. But some of their products are being referred to Amazon. As you can see, this one, this Vortex optical illusion rug, is being referred to on Amazon. So this is really the kind of website you want to model on and maybe create something very similar to what they are doing, because they are not really wasting much time creating content for all those products. Okay, they're just writing a short summary, and then when you click on the product, you're directed directly to the page, to the website that's selling those products. Most of the time it's Amazon or Etsy, and this is something very similar that you want to do. Okay, you don't want to waste more time creating a bunch of content that will take ages to get ranked on Google. You want to do something very similar to what they are doing. So how can you get started with this? Okay, what you can do is you can first create a website or a blog, and then you would go out and find those type of products that you can put on your blog. Okay, because they don't require a lot of time to post on your blog. You're not going to spend a lot of time writing long articles, because usually we know that you need to write long articles to get ranked on Google. But how he's doing it is he's just writing very short summaries of those products, but he's focusing more on the wow factor of those products, and that's what you should do as well. And you could basically go and find those products, post them on your website or on your blog. And since you're not going to spend so much time writing long articles for each one of those products, you will be able to post a lot of those products every single day, maybe 5 or 6, if not even more, every single day. And why this is so important is because you need to understand that when you're trying to build free traffic, it's very important that you put out as much content as possible, because by putting out the more content out there, you will increase the chances of one of your pieces of content to go viral, which will allow you to grow much faster and build free traffic a lot faster. Because the more content you put out, the more exposure you get. The more exposure you get, the more clicks you get, and the more clicks you get, obviously the more sales you get as well. So the first thing you're gonna have to do, as I said, is to create a website or a blog that you can post your product content on. Once you've done that, the second thing you're gonna do now is to go out and find those products, those attention grabbing products, the crazy looking products that people will look at them and want to buy them. So in order to do this, what you could do is you could simply go on some of those websites I talk about in this video. For example, This Is Why I'm Broke, and find some of those crazy products that we talked about, and then repost them on your blog. Find where those products come from. Maybe they are from Amazon, maybe they are from Etsy. Find where those products are coming from, and then post similar things to your blog. So that's one way. The second way is you could simply go on Google and simply look for those crazy Amazon products. So for example, I've typed in crazy Amazon products, and I've been presented with a bunch of different websites. As you can see, thisiswhyimbroke.com is ranked third on here, but there are other websites that you can find a bunch of other products that you can post on your blog as well. And then the third way you could go about finding those products is to simply go on YouTube. You will find a lot of YouTube channels that post a lot of those Amazon products. As you can see, this tech channel here, YouFactTech, basically they have a lot of those gadgets of Amazon that looks really awesome and really cool. Similar products to what you would see on thisiswhyimbroke.com. And this is a third place you can go to find those products to post on your blog. There's another one here called New Gadgets, where they also post a ton of different videos about crazy gadgets that you can find on Amazon. And if you open one of their videos, you will see that in the description they have the link to the Amazon page that is selling those particular products. As you can see, shoes, scrub brush, here's the Amazon link, here's the Amazon link. So once you find those products, obviously you then want to post them on your blog or on your website. You don't want to waste too much time writing really long paragraph or article about the product. You want to do similar things to what thisiswhyimbroke.com is doing, where you write a short summary, but then you direct that traffic directly to the affiliate page, and in this case Amazon or Etsy. The more you do this, the better you will become at finding those crazy products, and the better you will become at making a lot of posts every single day, and you will start seeing amazing results very quickly. So there you go, guys. This is how you could go about creating one of those Amazon affiliate sites very quickly, and you could replicate some of the successes that some of those websites that I showed you in here are having. It's not really that hard. It's all about understanding what your competitor is doing and try to do something very similar to what they are doing. If you like what you've learned in this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, because I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.